Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the Wargaming Guy. Welcome back to our continued playthrough of Sandstorm, the one of the DLCs for Order of Battle World War II. And we've reached Halfa, as you can see here, and this is what we got to do. We just got started, so let's go see what's happening here. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I think I've moved everybody. But let's just go down here and see. Yeah. Yep, I did. All right. Except I didn't. Of course. No, we're not going to do that. We want that guy to stay right there. And they cut me off because that's what they always do. But no, it didn't cut me off. It must be a scout unit. Haha, on you, scout unit. This is where I wish I had some anti-aircraft units, which I don't. Uh-oh, my Stuka's in trouble. Yeah, I'd say so. Wow. Man, I gotta figure out a way to get my fighters here. And here comes another one. Oh, it did cut me off. Oh, no, he did. Not the scout unit, but the tank unit. Good. Took him down some. That's excellent. Okay. Boom. Ooh, their arty's on me. Oh, my Lord. Look at that. Almost 50%. Whoa. That's bad. That's really bad. Okay. You, sir. I'm launching. Because I need to get somebody up here as fast as I can. My Stuka. Man, if I keep bringing him down here where I wanted to bring him, look what's waiting for him. Nope. I think it's time for you. Let's just see if they'll let me. No, I don't want this. That's what I want. That's what I want. Come on. Let me. You. Curses. Okay. Wow. This is bad. I gotta reinforce him. Let's see here. We'll take him on. Let's go ahead and push him back. Boom. Let's come on up and what is that? Actually, we'll do that. Push him back a little bit. Gonna go ahead and advance. Puts me in a rough spot. I can be outflanked here pretty easily, but maybe not. That might discourage them enough not to advance. And I think I'm not seeing anything out here, so I hate to. I don't want to use my vehicle while that fighter's there, so let's just try that. Wow. My engineers kind of suck. You're kind of not in the right spot either, buddy. Okay, let's wipe him out. Let's come down here. And we'll put you here. Yeah, let's keep you out of your trucks for the moment, if I can. because you're just going to get beat up by this total domination they have of air because I can't get my stupid fighters. That's frustrating. Almost as frustrating as this thing not being available. I am hoping it will pop up at some point. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's see, what did I forget? Oh. Really? Yeah, here. Oh! Curses! Why is this guy in a circle? I don't understand that at all. Well, never mind. Yeah, that's you. Actually. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I'm not going to get through there. Okay, good. Pick on him for a while. Darn, these minefields are going to be a real problem. Yeah. I wonder if my scout vehicles can pick them up a little better. The minefields, that is. Maybe. I'm not sure. We'll find out here. Golly, they are just tearing me up. What is up with this? Oh, shoot. It's exactly what I didn't want to have happen. Crikey. They may kill this guy. If they do, I'm in trouble. Yeah, I'm in trouble. Now he'll... Yeah, they're gone. They're dead. It's over. That's what I get for getting overly offensive-minded down here. Yeah, that was just really incredibly stupid, and I did it. Wow. Things are not going my way at the moment here, guys. Did I just lose? Oh gosh, I did. Wow, that's bad. There, I got it back. Die. Not quite. We pushed him back, but don't go after him. Let's take this guy out. Okay, now can I get... Wow, all these guys are dead? How are all these guys dead? That's interesting. Can I get any of these guys back? How about this? I don't think so. No, wait. I didn't even know my Focke-Wulf. Man, I'd like to have that back. Not enough resources to reform this unit. Ah, I can reform some of these guys, though. Okay, let's do that. Not enough command. You're killing me here, people. So I can't do that. Let's just scroll down through here, see what we can do. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that too. All right, I want one more infantry. And can I still do this? This one actually looks better. Don't know if it is. Really? All the way. Oh, I can put these guys down here. Good. Nope, that's it. Okay, well, good. I got a little few reinforcements here. At least on this end of things, I should be able to clear things up, at least for a second here. Dang it. Go get him. I want you to get him. Oh, right between two minefields. I don't know if this guy can see minefields any better than the rest of us. I hope so. Man. These guys don't die easy. And we need to be headed in that direction, depending on where they're... Oh, crap. Here, kill this guy. Thank you. Let's go ahead. It's going to take too long to dink around with these guys. Okay, you are going to take the truck because we need to get you down there. So are you. And wow, and I can't shoot. I should have. I hope a plane doesn't see him because if we get hit, he'll die. Yeah, we don't need to mess with him. Oh, I didn't move them. Okay, let's pull you over here. I know there's got to be some Brits around here, but I don't know where. Yeah, we're going to pull you up here, too. That's enough. There we go. Darn, these fighters. Yeah, going after the trucks. Well, I knew that was coming, so... Whew, he missed it. He's going after my Stuka, which should survive. Or maybe not. Man, their counter battery fire is just brutal. So we're back where we started from. Not very encouraging. So I lost it and got it back, but now I'm screwed because of that. Ah, shoot. And did he run into his own minefield there? What the heck happened? I don't know. Here, get down here and shoot this guy down. Very good. So Stuka, go land. You guys get your butts up here. Do not pursue. We're just going to hold our ground here and chew them up as much as we can. Ah! Should have known better. Come on. All right, let's go find out where people are around here. I'm not seeing a dang thing. It's weird. I mean, there's got to be people up here, doesn't there? Don't there? Shouldn't there? I mean, it's weird if it's not. Let's push you down here. Ah, okay, there's somebody. Let's just go. Oh! These minefields. All right, there's nobody on that ridge. So color me wrong on that one. Gosh. So our southern hook here is beginning to move forward, but I'm still, well, there's a flag there, so man there. So maybe the main defense is here. Maybe this won't be too heavily defended, although I'd be really surprised if that's the case. And here we go. Ouch. Come, that really? And here we go. Got some arty out there. Oh, look at that. Jeez. Okay, here we go. Got British and it looks like Australian troops moving up here. These guys are... Yeah, there's somebody new. Boom! Hit him. And nothing happened. Okay, so now, before I forget, you are going to have to come back down here to threaten this guy. And you will too, apparently. Just not exactly what I wanted to do, but there you go. Wait. Let's reinforce you. Can't reinforce him. Let's pull you down here. Still feeling him out. Don't know exactly what's happening. But let's get moving here. There. Hey, like them apples. Oh wait, that's all I can do? Let's leave it out then. Now we got some troops here. We can get moving a little better. Let's just pull you up here for now. Let's... Oh, yeah. Kill him. All right. Cut him down pretty good. I think that's about it. Yeah, you're just going to stay right there and not move till we can get enough points to do you right. Come on, shoot him down. Shoot him. No, he's not. Excuse me. Wow. Little tickle in my throat there. That's right. Flee. Flee before the massive might of Rommel's panzers. Oh boy. Good lord, they've got planes all over the freaking place. I need my fighters. Come on. Jeez. This poor guy, man. Wow, excuse me. I got some kind of a frog in my throat. Oh, really? They're going to pull up too? Well, we'll see about that. We are just about maybe to push through a lot of this. We've worn down most of the units that I can see here. Doesn't mean there aren't a bunch I can't see. Well, this guy's going to die in a hurry. Yeah, go ahead and attack. Take a big chunk out of me. That's fine. We're going to cut you off, and then you shall be killed. Hopefully. Okay. Liftoff. Engineers, liftoff personnel have completed work on the southern airfield and its infrastructure. We can now deploy the remainder of our Air Force to support the offensive. Yay! So does that mean I get to... wait, what? Really? Well, Hosanna. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Yes. Now, let's look up the dead and see. Nope. 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 Ah, curses. Oh, well. At least it's a little better now. Okay, so we're going to put you over here, cut him off. May have been a big mistake. It was. Let's see how we do here. There you go. That's a little better. That's a little better. Okay, speaking of air, let's kill this guy. Okay. And you, let's just risk a little bit here. Nice. Beautiful. Love it. That's one. That's two. Let's do that. Let's take this guy down. Let's take this guy out. It's time for you. And you. And you. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Should be able to hold that. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too shabby. Okay, let's see. Now over here, God, it's like, where is the enemy? Aha! Found some. Good. Now I'm going to get a chance to hit a truck. Ha ha! How's that feel, buddy? Take that. No, I don't. Let's see here. Well, we can't get very far. Let's go ahead and pull up here and hit this guy. Oh, left you out, didn't we? But don't worry. We'll not let you feel lonely. No, we shall come and welcome you. Well, wait a minute. There's got to be somebody up here. Wow, amazing. So they've got most of it's here then. Interesting. Let's just drive down here and see what we got. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Airfield. Airplanes. Oh, I can't do it till next turn. Okay. Ah, see, I did forget about him. Get over here. And you are staying right there. Hitting the infantry instead of the armor. Interesting. Ooh, that hurt. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here we go. Yeah, you're dead, dude. Go ahead. Can hurt me a little bit, but I'm taking you out. Really? They took the armor on. Interesting choice. Oops. Yeah, I'm going to pay for this. No. He flees. Thank you. Appreciate that, bud. And here we go. Another stupid bomber. How come my ME-109's like all oranged up here? Why would that be? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Run away, dude. Your recon, run. Uh-oh. I'm afraid he may be dying. Run! No! But yes. Yeah. Curses. Other than that, this was shaping up to be a pretty good turn. You don't count the air power differential. Okay. And they're going to plaster my trucks. Ooh, 2. Dang. Okay. Now. Where did... Oh, he's got to land. I was going to take him and shoot somebody down, but I ran out of time. All right, that's it. We are going to pause right here, guys. We'll come back next time with more of Halfa. So till then, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, take care, and I will see you later.